Hello guys, welcome back to another new lecture. In this lecture you will learn how to develop this website. So this is the really single page and this is very elegant website for you, and if you are a beginner then it's really helpful for you. So this tutorial I'll develop this website A to Z step by step. So in this lecture we will learn a lot of things from this lecture. So firstly you will just design your logo, then after that images, and after that your banner section area, and this is your image portfolio image section. Here you will show that this is the very helpful and useful website for you, and this is, you know that very well, home and about. When you will click this about, then it will be show to you about section, after that portfolio section, after that service section, after that blog section, after that contact page. So that is the mobile menu. So you will show that this is the very awesome design, and I hope you, and I believe that it's really helpful for you. So guys, this is the very simple design. So let's start the code. So guys, firstly you will just design this on your structure folder, file and structure. So you have to go to your VS Code, open this code editor. Firstly you will just download this VS Code download. After that you will just download this. Okay, only one website you can just download easily, from code.visualstudio.com. then you will show that this is the very easy. You can just download on your Windows operating system, like that, Windows and Mac and Pro. So this actually you will download this on your operating system as usual. So guys, I'll give this link in my description below. After that you will download this. You will just create an account on the Canva, then you can create a logo. This is my logo, and you will show that this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo. After that you will just design this another pages, and create a portfolio section, create portfolio section images in the here. Click this is the portfolio section. You will just open it in the, this is the another link. Okay, so this is the actually details pages for your portfolio pages, and you will just attach your link in the here. Okay guys, so I hope you will better understand in this example. After that you will just open this another website. This is the actually pop-up images, pop-up system. So you'll learn a lot of things in this here. So guys, let's start the code. So firstly you will just come back in your website, and inside of this folder you will just create a file like that. Firstly I will just create this another folder in the here assets. So this is the starting code structure. Okay guys, so after that in the here I'll just create another file, index.html code. After that inside of this folder, main folder, I'll just create another file like that, light blog details, light blog details dot html. Okay, after that I'll just create another file, light portfolio details dot html. So this is the really helpful for you. At first you will just create your structure, index.html structure on your main, inside of the main file, sorry, main folder. Okay, so I'll just create a style.css. So this is our structure. So inside of this assets folder, I'll just create another file. It will be style.css. After that, I'll just create another file, image, and create another file. Inside of this, it want to be image. It will be folder path inside of this. Okay, image, and after that I'll create another JS folder file. Okay, I'll just create this another folder, JS, CSS. So I'll just cut it from here and paste it inside of the CSS folder. So guys, I hope you'll better understand in this example. So this is our structure. So firstly, I'll just create a main file like that, and using this tab. Okay, and hello. Okay, run it. Or to run, not okay. Just run this here. Open live server. Okay, I have a problem in my live server, but okay. I'll just design this part by part. So this is our header area, and so that this is the logo. You will show that this is logo. After that, this is the menu bar. Okay, and this is the mobile menu bar. Okay guys, so and inside of this div, like the total div, like that, it will be nav menu, or you can define this anything in the here. Okay guys, so firstly I'll just design this menu section like that logo. After that menu section that calls the menu bar, and toggle menu like the mobile menu inside of this here. Okay guys, so I hope you will better understand in this example. After that, I'll just design this another section like the two section, like that will be images text area, and this is the image section area. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand this design. Then after that, I'll just design this area of about section area. Then it will be two part. This is the another part inside of this title. After that, body part. So after that, you'll just show that this is the button. So inside of this title, so in the here another section like that, this is the bar section area in the here, like every single of div. Okay, so in the here you will show that this is the two part. Okay, part 1 and part 2, and the here it will be title, after that body tag, and after the button. In the here same way. Okay, I'll show you how to design this section. After that, in the here, this is the very easy and part of experiment section. Okay, I'll just show to you how to design this part. In the here, you will show that this is the portfolio section. So this is the portfolio area, and this is the title. After that, this is the menu section, and it will be changeable like that. I will use it in the here JavaScript. So like that, click this, and it will show that here is the changing now. Okay, then I'll just design this service area and service section. This is the service section part 4. I'll create it part 8. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand. After that, I'll just design this testimonial area. Okay, then it will be maybe carousel system. I will just I will use this in the here JavaScript. After that, I'll create this another design part, block section area. Okay guys, hopefully you'll just click this, then it will be open single pages. Okay, that's why I created in the inside of this folder light vlog details uh, dot in the HTML part. So that's why this is, you will just design this part. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand. After that, inside of this inside of this in the after of a vlog section area, you will show that this is the get in touch. It will be maybe contact section area. When just click this vlog section, then contact section, it will be here. Okay, then into the last, and I'll just finish this section of area, footer section. So in the here, this is the social menu area, and social link available in the here. Okay guys, so hopefully, and in the here you will show that this is the top bar button. You just, when you create this, then it will automatically first pages like home pages, you will come to home page. So guys, let's start the code. So this is the very easy, and you will learn lot of things in the here. So firstly, I'll just link up this style.css, and inside of this folder, so just I'll go to in my main folder, then I'll just copy this all of images, and like that all of assets in the here, images and JSS, fonts and CSS. Okay guys, so hopefully I'll just copy this all of file. That means inside of this CSS, I'll just I don't need to the style.css. Okay guys, so I'll just delete this style.css. After that, I'll just delete this inside of this JS folder, then I'll just delete this main.js folder. Okay guys, hopefully you will better understand in this example. So I'll provide you in this in my description below this file, so it's really helpful for you, and I'll provide you also in my GitHub link in the description below, then you can find it easily. So I'll just copy this and paste it here in my website. Okay, assets, so inside of this CSS folder, then I'll just delete this style.css. Okay guys, that means it will be, I'll just delete this inside of this folder. Okay, like the asset, after that CSS, then style.css. So guys, simply I'll just open it in the again in the VS Code. That will be very easy for understanding. All of files. Okay, oh, for unfortunately I'll just paste it in the inside of this all asset file, so that's why I did not get a find in the inside of this folder. Okay guys, so I'll just paste it and replace it, then it will show that inside of this here asset folder, then CSS, then style.css. That's why you just find it easily in this here. So I'm going to delete this all of file, so I don't need to this design delete this whole of code in the here. I'll just delete this. Okay, everything I'll just delete this. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand, and it will show that here's a lot of code inside of this here. So in this here, I'll just delete this template name, and I'll just delete this everything. Okay, 1 2 3 4, you can find it easily. This is my website. So in the here, I'll just define this everything. Version v1 1.1.0 support. Okay, so that's why this is our syntax. CSS index, it will be firstly general coded and typography into global classes, and after then to home version and pages and loading bar and scroll off. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this example. So that's why just why I pasted in this folder in the inside of this CSS, because I'll just every single of line in the here I'll link up this easily for that, and just for timing, saving timing, for save time, for that I'll just paste it inside of this folder. Okay guys, so hopefully I'll just paste it and link up this easily, so you'll show that and you'll do it easily in the system where this system, same this system, because just I'm going to using this actually inside of this extension like that, or to win.css. I'll just rename this and copy this and cut it here in the same way inside of this. Okay, using this new tab. After that I'll just delete this and paste it here. Okay guys, so hopefully every single of folder connected in my index.html coded inside of this. Okay, so guys, I'll just check this here, and inside of this font.css in material in the here, so I'll just copy this index.html coded in the here like that, all files and index.html code. Contain then style.css. Why I'm just using this style.css, because inside of this style.css I will imported all of this file. For that I don't need to this I don't need so I don't need to this code. Okay, so guys, I'll just delete this, so you'll show that inside of this coded style.css. so I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll just copy this here and paste it here inside of this style.css file. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this example, so this is really helpful for you. So guys, every single of code, every single of folder like that asset folder, so I don't need to this open this all files, so you will just open this asset file, and then every single of inside of this CSS folder, then every single of file you will just add us and import it this here. Okay guys, that's then after that you will just import it css style.css inside of this here guys. So hopefully, and you will come back in your index.html coded, so inside of this here you will just define this easy way like that. You will just link up this style.css. so that's why that's the very easy way. You can everything will just put here inside of this style.css, then after that every single of file you will just connect it and import this here. That's why this is the very easy way, and you will just define this style.css code. So guys, I hope you will better understand in this example. So you don't need you don't understand this example, so you will tell me in the inside in the description below, then I will reply your comment. So don't worry about this, you will just follow my lecture. So here you will show that. Okay, I'll just test it. I'll just check this code. Hello, and refresh in my browser. Nothing to happen. But why? Okay, then I'll just refresh it. Okay, nothing to here. I'll just check this h1 and hello and refresh it. Okay, so it's working now. So guys, you'll just follow this in your code structure. If you don't give this inverted comma, then you will show that here is the you'll just get a error inside of this in your code. So okay guys, I hope you'll better understand in this example. Then error has gone. So hopefully everything is okay and it's working correctly. So now let's go to the code main function inside of this css folder, after that jss. So I'm going to connecting this js file inside of this above this body tag. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand when I'll work completely inside of this here. So guys, for timing, I will just copy from this in my all of files assets. So I'll come back inside of this index.html codes and I'll copy this and paste it here. Okay guys, hopefully you'll better understand in the here. I'll just change this name. Okay, so after that I'll come back inside of this folder all files, then JS files, and inside of this index.html code asset and index.html code. After that, into the line I'll just copy this all JSS file here. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand. That's why I'm going to easily connecting this JSS file and CSS folder, everything inside of this here. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand in this example. So guys, now I'm working in the main section part. So firstly I'll just design this index.html coded inside of this here, and now I'm working this main section area like that, loading bar start. Now creating this comment loading bar start, and we'll just use this comment section. That is the very helpful and for understanding when developer develop this on your website, then it's really helpful for him. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand. After that, now I'm going to start this div. Okay, I'll just install this div dot loading class name loading, but why not int of the body section. Okay, dot div dot id and loading. Okay, that's it. So now I'm going to create this div class loading section 1 div, then is this id. Okay, then it will be loading center, and I'm going to creating this another id. It will be a loading center absolute. So loading center absolute. So inside of this here, I'm going to using this I'll just design this logo section area. That's why I'm going to using this image. Then I'll just give this image section and create this assets folder. Then I'll just link up these assets, then using this image. After that, using this dark logo png. After that, I'll just using this here my name. Okay, so come back and refresh it. Oh, this is the logo. Okay, it's inspect this and select this inspector. Okay, didn't actually show to these images in the here. Dark logos. Okay, I just minimize this file, images and dark logo. Okay, so loading variant. After that loading variant, I'll just develop this home section area, like that header section area. Okay guys, start this. Ints. It will be a header section area. ACRD header. So inside of this header, just I'll design this part 2, and in the few minutes ago I will just explain it this section. So I'll just delete this and just define this header. Then I will give this header style 1, like the class name. It will be class name header, then style 1. After that, okay, I'll just define this style name, and inside of this bg color, background color will be 1. So inside of this here, just I will give this div and class name will be top. So inside of this here, I'll just using this clear fix. Okay guys, so I'm going to using this div dot header and top. So guys, in this here, after top var, then I'll just define this top clear fix. After the inside of this top header, it will be top header. After that, it will be active sticky, and this is the class name. It will be ptb and 15. Div dot container. Inside this div, then row, I'll give this class name row. Inside of this div, then it will be column, and in the here I'm going to using this is access. After that 6, it will be 6 column, and then I'm going to using this here. And if you don't understand, then you just copy this and paste it here on your browser. Okay, then we'll better understand. This is the bootstrap git example. Okay guys, so you'll show that here this is the example, and you'll better understand in this example from this website w3school.com. so you will show that column sm, then when it will be column 4, column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this example when it defined sx and sm. Okay, so I hope you'll better understand in this example. So inside of this here, I'll just define this column and define this sm5. so in the here I'm going to define this div dot left. So div dot logo index and link up this index dot HTML code. After that image src. Inside of this here you can using this image, so you can define this assets slash then images. After that dark logo.png. so in the here you can define this name, okay, and refresh your browser, then you will show that here is the logo. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand this example. So guys, I hope you will better understand how you just design on your logo inside of this here. So now I'm going to using this menu section area. So this is our section. So inside of this here, after the three column, three div section, yeah, by to yeah. Okay guys, so inside of this here, just I'll define this div dot column, and it will be sx and column 7. Okay, I'll just define this column, then sx 6, it will be 6, okay, part of 6. xs, after that it will be 6 column, okay. Then inside of this class I'll just define this column, then sm 7. So in the here just I'll define this column, it will be right. So inside of this div I'll just define this expand menu, then it will be open, okay. So in the here I will just define this float right. I'll just define this I dot, then jmd. After that, okay, there's eg inside of this jmd menu, or you can define anything in the here. This is the class name, so don't worry about this. Okay guys, so in the here this it will be never. So you can define this div class expand menu float right, so it's on your, you can just define this. After that it will be ul class, okay, define this, that's the very easy way. And in the here you can using this ul, this is the class name, it will be class, okay, clear fix. So I hope you will better understand in this example, and you'll just refresh on your browser, then you'll show that this is the on your menu section. Okay, so hopefully you will better understand, and you will just give this design style.css, then it will be it will be positioned in the inside of this right section. Okay, right section area. So guys, I hope you will better understand in this example. So now I'm going to using this style.css inside of this folder like style.css. okay, now I'm I'm going to using this firstly body tag body. So inside of this here I can just define this font family, usually font family, font size, okay, font size and font weight, okay, everything is okay. After that in the here line height it will be 7 1.0. I don't need to the 1.7, it will be 24 pixel. After that font weight or color, it will be color name. I'll just change this color A1 okay, A1. That's it. So inside of this background color it will be white. After that I'll just define this overflow accent overflow X, it will be hidden, and inside of this here wave kit animation or text sizing wave kit, then text sizing adjustment, it will be 100%. So in the here I'll just define this wave kit, then overflow scrolling touch. So inside of this here wave kit and font weight font. After this smoothing SMO, antilized. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand. After that I'll just define this HTML coded in the here, and I'll just using these two part inside of this one like that body section. So now I'll just define this width, it will be 100%, and after that I'll just define this height, it will be 100%. okay, so hopefully you'll better understand this example. So now I'll just define this selection part like that, merge selection, it will be merge, then selection. I'm going to use in this background, and inside of this background will be, I'll just change this 3.1 and 8, that means DFD. Color will be white. So inside of this here I'll just define this text shadow, it will be none. So guys, inside of this here I'll just define this selection part, selection. So the here background, after that everything you can just select this padding 0, padding, okay, you can just define this CSS, CC. After that color will be 00, that means I'll just change this color 000. okay, so inside of this here you can define this padding 0.2 RAM, and after that 0. okay guys, so inside of this here you can define these images easily, max width. So you can define this here 100%, and maybe you'll just define this another system way. So guys, inside of this here I'll just define this fix, and overflow will be hidden automatically, so everything inside of this fix. So in the here I can using this HR line, it will be changes from this here background color and border, everything inside it here. I'll just define this background, it will be background will be F5 and F5. Okay, then none, repeat, repeat, scroll 0 0. So hopefully you'll better understand. Border 0, and after that height will be 1 pixel, and margin margin 0. After that I will just using this auto, and padding will be, I don't need to this padding, so margin. After that width 100 pixel, so dot goal text. I'm going to design this center, and firstly you will just come back on your index.html and copy this on your code like that. Oh, this is the loading text, and after that okay, color column text center, that is the by default or input. Okay guys, so I'll copy this from the helping file like that, all files, and inside of the style.css, inside of the asset folder, and inside of the style.css like the style.css. So guys, this is the really helpful for you, and you'll know that that is the responsive issue and responsive mobile responsive. For that, just I'll copy this code, and easily this is the typography and margin bottom, everything you can just define this in the previous coding structure. Okay guys, then screen support, after that padding bottom, after that padding top, bottom, and font size you will just define this easily in the here. After that font size is screen support, and font family, line height, and background color, everything you can define this and in the way. Okay guys, so after that dark overlay, and after that default button style, every single button it will be this design. Okay guys, then you will better understand for live example, then you can understand easily in the here. Okay guys, I'll just copy this coded custom structure. Okay, expand menu, I don't need to this actually. I'll just copy this and paste it here inside of this structure folder. Okay, I'll just define this style.css, and I'll paste it in here inside of this. Okay, now I'll just starting now expand dot stylus menu bar design. Okay guys, so hopefully I'll just refresh this, and you'll show that here is your menu section. Okay, and you'll show that there is the black, there is the white section area, and background is equal. For that you don't show it very clearly. Okay guys, so after that I'll just design this inside of this menu bar. Now I'll just define this expand menu. It will be expand menu start, then copy this main menu. After that expand. Okay, height, I'll just give this height. I'll just run this code in the live server OIBF, OIBDG, OIF Chromo. Okay, then you will better understand in this example when I'll just change this anything in the here. Height, it will be 100%, and after that here overflow, I don't need to this overflow. Padding, it will be suggested automatically for when you are using this GitHub Copilot or GitHub suggested extension. Padding, it will be this 30 pixel 0. After that I'll just using this position, it will be fixed, and after that I'm going to using this right, and it will be 100 minus 100%, and I'm going to using this inside of this here text align, it will be center, and after that I'm going to using this top menu, it will be 0. So in the here guys, will use this width 100% and refresh it. Okay, why don't you using this refresh, run. That's why I don't need to this. Okay guys, hopefully you will better understand in this example. That's the really helpful for you. OF kit, so guys in this here just I'll stop to write just typing, just help this help file, and I'll go to asset folder inside of this CSS and style.css. I'll just copy this, I'll just copy this sticky logo. After the sticky logo I'll just copy this sticky logo and home version 1. Okay guys, so hopefully you'll better understand in this example. I'll just paste it here and refresh in my browser. Okay, but inline block, just define this. style.css inside of this here. Asset, then css, style.css. okay, everything is okay. li, after that li, then a. okay guys, so hopefully you better understand in this example. ul, then clear fix, then expand menu, float right. I'll just define this here, new tab, and ul menu clear, fix, position, inline, block, color black, index.html code. So inside of this here, expand menu and florix, in the here have a problem anything, also define the standard property filter, property for capability. okay, I have a problem inside of this here. So guys, hopefully you'll better understand, and you'll just when you're typing this code, and you'll just using this pattern step by step, then when you are if you get anything wrong inside of this div area, then you will, if you don't find any solution in the here, like the designing part. So after that I'll just design this main part. This is the menu section, and this is our designing part, and this is the menu section area. okay guys, and this is the start toggle bar. okay guys, when we are using this javascript working inside of this here toggle, then it will be work. So I hope you'll better understand in this example. Then I'll just help this help file, all file is inside of this here, then I'll paste it here. So this is our header area. Inside of this header area, then it will be container section, like that, the slider area and sliding images, and after that part 2 column 12, and it will be 6, and after that column 12, and it will be another 6. okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand, and refresh this browser, then it will show that here our images, and it will be work it when we are design this. When you are using this style.css, then it will be work smoothly. okay guys. and I'll just change this color code. I don't like this. Okay, that's it. Good. Index.html coded. Copy this and paste it here inside of this here. Loading bar, inside of this loading bar, paste this code in the here, then you will understand easily. Header section area. After that, this is your progress bar area. Okay, refresh your browser. Oh no. Inside of this header area, I'll just copy this and paste it here inside of this here. This is the loading section part. Refresh this browser. Okay, so everything is okay, guys. So hopefully just using this class name, it will be similar as like that style.css. Okay, guys, so hopefully you will better understand in this example. So guys, we are just design this for timing space savings. Just design this part, just to copy this part from this here like that. All files, this is the helping file. So okay guys, I hope you will better understand in this example. So after that, I'll just design this another section area like that. This style.css. After that, it will be a header. Inside of this header, I'll just define this menu bar section like that. It will be working these days. Okay, inside of this all files and paste it here. About section, I'll just design this about section inside of this here. Now I'll work about section. Start here and copy this line inside of this here header section int. So just I'll copy this about section start, and so inside of this here I'll just define this div dot, or I'll just define this section dot about area. So guys, I'll just design this about section start from helping code. So don't worry about this, you'll just get idea about the in the comment section area, and you'll just get to find it, this code in the GitHub link. I'll just find it, I'll just provide this link. Okay guys, so don't worry about this. This is our about section start, and this is about section end of the here. So just refresh browser, and you will show that here is the two part about section, and section 1 and section 2. Okay guys, so I'll just design this. So now I am going to in the inside of this asset folder css and style.css. This is the home version. So hopefully you'll better understand when you just create this another like that 1013, then it will be helpful for you this. Okay, just copy this code, progress bar, and return this experiment. After this experiments, so when just you will come to experiment, then just copy this and paste it here inside of this code. Okay, so just refresh browser, and you will show that everything is okay. So guys, you'll better understand this example, so you will find it easily. So don't worry about this. You just change this color inside of this here. After that, you can just using this another color, progress content, and progress content out, and refresh this another RGB contrast color area inside of this here. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand this example. And change this color code, refresh this browser. Okay, that's the looks good. You'll just change this color as you want. So hopefully guys, you'll just come back to the index.html code and just using this experiment. After that, you'll just clear this inside of this end of the experiment 2, and come back to inside of this index.html code, paste it here. So and refresh this browser, and you'll show that this is the experiments, and come to the index.style.css and just copy this code inside after portfolio starting, and paste it in the here. Then it's really helpful for you. Okay guys, and refresh this browser. Okay, so everything is fine. After that, you'll just come back in the index.html code and copy this code, every single of line. You can just copy this and paste it on your browser. Okay guys, contact section, then after that footer section, I'll just copy this code and paste it here, index.html, and paste it here. Okay guys, and refresh this browser, and you'll show that here is your design, and this will show that this is the broken design. You can just will come back on your style.css and copy this code, every single of code. You can just copy this, and I'll paste it in my style.css inside of this here, paste it here. Okay guys, and refresh this browser, then you will show that everything is okay. So guys, you will show that this is the very smooth design, and you will show that every single of code is everything is okay. Now I'll just copy this inside of this style.css and paste it here. Paste it inside of my this light.block code, and just delete these. So after that, I'll just come back inside of this here and paste it here inside of this code, and just design these, delete these, and after that I'll just delete these. Okay. So guys, you can just refresh your browser, and you'll just using this code, then you will show that this is the single light.portfolio details this HTML file. So for timing, just I'll just skip this video and I'll just skip this typing. And guys, I hope you'll better understand in this example. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next lecture. And I'll just I want to say to you, in the next lecture I will make a video in the A to Z, and this lecture will be very helpful for you, and every single of code I will explain in the next lecture. Okay guys, today I have some of problem, and now I'm ill. For that I don't continue this lecture. For that just I will skip this for helping file, and obviously I will just upload this in the GitHub, and I'll provide this link in the description below. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next lecture. So let's go to the GitHub clone on the live. Okay guys, so come back in the browse all files, and this is the all coded inside of this here. After that I'll just upload this file. For that I'll just copy this, cut it here, and okay, I'll just check this code. Okay, I'll just delete this, and obviously we'll just cut it, open these sentences and cut it in the here, then delete this. Now I'll just upload this code in my GitHub, the live session. So I just come back in the browser, and simply I'll just type here GitHub. So this is my GitHub. Obviously if you want to my video, then like the thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you'll show that this is the my portfolio, and you'll show that. And if you want to this how to type this readme.md, then you can just comment this in the description below. I'll just provide a video in this part. Okay guys, and it will be the same repository as usual this. Okay guys, copy this and paste it here, and just give this description. This is a single portfolio for designer, and I'll just give this public for everyone. Okay guys, and create this repository. And now I'll come back in my code, and I'll open it in the type here cmd, and write just will type here git init, and after that git add, and using this space, then after that using this full stop, and it will be directly push this on your GitHub link, and just will copy this comment section. After that paste it here. Okay, then added this all of file in the here. Okay guys, then just using this git branches and paste it here. After that you will just define this git remote all of things inside of this folder, and after that now I'll just push this my all of file inside of this project GitHub repository, like that this directory. You will find it easily. Okay guys, and this is the very easy way. You can just refresh this browser, and every single of code you will just find it here easily. Okay guys, I'll just create a on a repository, new repository, and just I'll give this something here description. This is single page portfolio, and after that I'll just create this and obviously you just follow this. This is the your file name, and this is your file name, and this, and it will be similar. After that, inside of this here, you will just come back inside of this here and refresh this extension, and this is the committed. And firstly you will just come using this view. After that, view, and you can define this command, open command palette, and add remote git. After that, inside of this here, add a remote from GitHub. Okay, I don't need to this first name. I'll just click this here, and you will just using this GitHub repository. This is the your GitHub repository. Okay guys, so hopefully you will better understand in this example. So after that, you will come back in this here and refresh this post. Okay, and you will show that everything is or you can just click this here. Okay, then it will be automatically push on your GitHub repository. Okay guys, so you will show that this is the very easy way, and everything is come to here. Okay, so guys, I hope and I believe that you will learn something from this here, and this is the code link. I'll just give this description. I'll just give this link in my video description below. So if you like my video, then obviously thumbs up the video, bell icon, and hit the bell icon obviously, and you will just share with your friend circle or groups. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you soon in the next lecture.